Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off our game mode in our Tecno mobile guys. You want to turn off your game mode settings, so friends how can you off it in this video friends? I am going to show you guys. So before starting video guys, I want to tell you guys first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to off your game mode. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting guys. Click on guys your special function setting. Tap here and guys you can see second option game mode. So we will click here. So friends, you can see your game mode setting. So if you want to turn off your game mode, so friends you can see your game mode is on already. And guys you want to off, so you can off from here the right side. Tap here. Afterwards you cannot use your game panel setting as game data. You cannot use and get this setting also. So I hope friends you've understood how to turn off game mode in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.